नहीं खाना था नहीं खाना था एक लेना
So now we are going to see this latest DG circular, which is issued on 10th September 2020. That is yesterday, and the number is 2011-1-2020 because this is for training department. This is the first circular for the MTIs only. So we know recently that all the modular courses have started after this COVID-19, and previously before in all the institutes we were carrying out this refresher courses, but with refresher courses, refresher of PST and PSCRB was done on the same day, and one certificate was issued, and then refresher of FPFF and AFF was done on one day, and this certificates were issued. But now what happened, you know, this new circular after this COVID, where this 3-tier approach method is there for all the courses to what you call, first do the e-learning course and from the DG shipping website with the assessment, and then you go to the institute to do the course, and then you do the exit exam again from the DG shipping after paying the fees, which is as per DGS circular 11 from 3rd August. So now what DG is telling that this combined refresher courses of PST and PSCRB have to be done separately, and the combined refresher courses of AFF and FPFF have to be done separately. Why? Because in DG shipping e-portal, they have a separate e-learning module for refresher of AFF and separate e-module for refresher of FPFF. They don't have a common module, and they don't have a common exit exam. So they can't issue a separate certificate, because certificate is issued with the exit exam result and MTI inputs. So this is the clarification for that, and it is clarified that all MTIs have to be strictly abide by this, and the combined courses is not available for this refresher PSCRB, FPFF and all. So a separate have to be all MTIs are instructed to do these courses separately, and a separate certificate has to be generated in the DG shipping. So this is circular. Anybody has any doubt? So those who have done, I think recently, this refresher PST, PSCRB and all courses, for the institutes from which you have done, some institutes are offering free courses to redo the course, but you have to pay the fees of your exit exam to DGS, and the course by the institutes are offered free. So those who have done recently, you can do it from your institute now. But for the better, those who have not done, from the time these modular courses have started, so many clarifications are being done for each course and all. So till the time you can avoid doing the courses, anyways, you have the validity till next year. So if the company is not forcing you, please avoid doing modular courses, is a suggestion.